So did you see that email I sent?
Mm-hmm.
You think the biggest threat to your relationship is cheating or a screaming match? It isn't. It's this moment right here. It's the silence between the fights. Researchers can predict with 86% accuracy if a couple will break up just by watching them eat dinner for 10 minutes. Welcome to the Insight Lab. Today, we're fixing the silent killer.
In the Insight Lab, we see it clear, turning down the doubt and facing the fear. Love deeper, yeah, we're building the trust. It's not you versus me, it's about us.
Love is beautiful.
Welcome to the lab.
I was thinking we could go to the coast this weekend.
Yeah, cool.
Marcus?
I said, yeah, babe, whatever you want.
Freeze! Look at her face. That wasn't just a sigh. That was a rejected bid for connection. Marcus didn't just ignore a question, he rejected her. Dr. John Gottman calls this turning away. In happy couples, partners turn toward these little requests 86% of the time. Couples headed for divorce, only 33%. It's called phubbing, phone snubbing. It creates ambiguous loss. Your partner is physically there, but emotionally gone. To your brain, this registers as physical pain.
Look, I'm not trying to be a jerk. I work in sales. I talk to people for 10 hours a day. When I get home, the phone is the only place where nobody wants anything from me.
Marcus isn't trying to hurt Lina. He is using the phone for decompression. But Lina experiences it as rejection. This mismatch is where love goes to die. If this continues, Lina stops asking. The house gets quiet. You think, oh good, we stopped fighting. No, you've entered the roommate phase. And once you are just roommates, it takes 5 times the energy to reignite the spark. Most people don't make it back from here.
So do you burn the phone? No, that's unrealistic. You just need to master a micro habit I call the pivot. You don't have to be available 24/7, but you must acknowledge the transition.
You have to bridge the gap between your screen and your partner.
Step 1, the eyes. When they speak, you must move your eyes to their face for 3 seconds. Step 2, the script. I want to hear this, but I'm in the middle of an email. Give me 2 minutes.
Did you see that email?
I didn't yet. My brain is fried. Can we talk about it Saturday? I just need to zone out.
Yeah, totally. Saturday works. See that? The outcome is the same. Marcus gets to relax, but Lina feels seen.
Thing for the Linus. If he puts the phone down, do not say finally. You're always on that thing. That is punishment. Punish the effort, they will stop trying. Just say thank you. Reinforce the behavior you want to see. Relationships don't die from explosions. They die from silence. Tonight, try the 20-minute basket. Phones go in a basket for the first 20 minutes of dinner.
Okay, update. The pivot thing is harder than Amy made it sound. Last night, I felt my pocket buzz during dinner, and my hand literally twitched. It's like a reflex, but I didn't look. I looked at Lina instead. She actually smiled, so yeah, baby steps.
I almost messed it up. He put the phone down, and I really wanted to say about time. It was right on the tip of my tongue. But I swallowed it. I just said thanks. And we actually talked for 20 minutes. It felt normal. I missed normal.
You've seen their patterns. Now, let's look at yours. Welcome to Discovery Time. No judgment, just data. Screenshot these questions and see where you stand.
Question 1. When you reach for your phone around your partner, what is the primary feeling? Option A, you are drained and need to recharge. Option B, you are avoiding a difficult conversation. Question 2. Be honest. How long has it been since you had a meal with zero technology at the table? Option A, less than 48 hours. Option B, I honestly can't remember. Question 3. When your partner speaks, do you stop scrolling? Option A, yes, immediately. Option B, no, I multitask.
My turn. Question 4. When your partner is on their phone, how do you interpret it?
Option A, they are tired. Option B, they find me boring.
Question 5. If you asked for attention right now, would you feel guilty? Option A, not at all. Option B, yes, I feel like I'm nagging. Last one. Do you have clear no phone zones in your house? Option A, yes, we have rules. Option B, no, it's a free-for-all. If you answered mostly B's, your connection is in the danger zone. I want you to pick one B to turn into an A this week. If you're ready to stop the silence, comment accepted below. I'm Coach Amy. This is the Relationship Insights Lab. See you next session.
In the next episode of Relationship Insights.
I don't get it. I listen, I respond. How is that not communicating?
Because you hear the words, Marcus, but not the meaning. I feel like I'm talking to a wall.
If you've ever had a partner say, "You're not hearing me," even when you know you're listening, in the next episode, you will discover why. Coach Amy guides Marcus and Lina through the dynamic of surface listening versus emotion-level listening, revealing how couples misinterpret each other even when trying to communicate. Don't miss it out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to follow along.
Silence at the table, looking at the phone. Two people in the room, but we're feeling all alone. But we're pausing the noise, yeah. We're breaking the pattern, finding the words that actually matter. In the inside lab, we see it clear, turning down the doubt and facing the fear. Love deeper, yeah, we're building a trust. It's not you versus me, it's about us. Welcome to the lab. Silence at the table, looking at the phone. Two people in the room, but we're feeling alone. But we're pausing the noise, yeah. Yeah, we're breaking the pattern, finding the words that actually matter. Silent, we see it clear, turning down the doubt and facing the fear. Love deeper, yeah, we're building a trust. It's not you versus me, it's about us. Welcome to the lab. Welcome to the lab. Welcome to the lab.